lessons are learned from many people. In my case, I learned from my dad. Envy is a nasty enemy. It is great to belong to a group of people who are pleased with themselves. Let it be known that the loneliest people in the world are those who already have it all and want more. Pretty ones wanting to be prettier, the rich wanting to be richer, the accomplished wanting to accomplish more. Envy is never a higher goal. It is a feeling that is primal, vicious, and tasteless. Envy makes one's value and possession wasted, because envy is a synonym of selfishness. This is what my dad thinks about envy. Envy makes a king look like a slave.